I am guava, a fast and powerful fruit packed with natural nutrition. I am extremely rich in vitamin C, helping boost your immune defense. My antioxidants help protect cells and reduce oxidative damage. My high fiber content supports smooth and healthy digestion. I help support balanced blood sugar levels naturally. I support heart health and healthy circulation. Low in calories and high in fiber, I help you feel full longer. I support collagen production, helping keep your skin healthy. I help calm mild inflammation inside the body. Enjoy guava fresh for maximum fiber and nutrients. Blend guava into smoothies for thick and satisfying nutrition. Drink guava juice for a refreshing vitamin boost. Add guava to fruit salads for balanced taste and texture. Avoid eating too many guava seeds if your stomach is sensitive. If digestion is weak, choose ripe guava instead of unripe ones. Follow for more helpful health knowledge.